Hey there, this is Camilla with AddEvent. In this video, I'm going to review with you the Embeddable Calendar sharing methods so that you're a little bit familiar with the options for embedding your calendar on your website or landing page. So I'm starting here from my calendar dashboard, and I'm going to click into the calendar that I want to embed. So the three dots and then calendar page. You can either scroll or you can click the Embeddable Calendar here on the left-hand side, and it'll take you down to the section we want to be at. So now you can click into Customize and Share. Here is where you can configure and customize your calendar, but to view the embeddable options and get that code or URL once you are done editing, you click over here on Show Embed Options. So to start reviewing the options, there are three. The first is the embed code. This is the most common embed option. It works with the majority of HTML code embed options out there for just about any website builder or landing page builder. So when you use this version, the calendar will automatically resize based on the size of the content within the embedded iframe. So that's really convenient. And then it also enables click outside functionality to hide pop-ups and drop-down options. So you're not having things blocking your calendar or vice versa. So all you would need to do here is, you don't have to do that part. All you have to do is click copy, and then it copies all of your code. And then you would go to your website and paste in that embed code. And it's as simple as copying and pasting. And then the second option here is the URL. This option is a plain URL, which you could add to an iframe. We give you that iframe option below, but we have just the plain URL here. And in case you, this is a good option in case you maybe don't have a website or a landing page to embed your calendar onto. Instead, you can take this URL, copy this URL here, and then paste it into, use it just for what it is, the URL. And now you can share this link with people and you have an embedded calendar on just by a link, which you can add into an email or on social, or just share it when someone asks what your calendar and your events are. So that's really convenient, the URL, or again, you could always include this in an iframe if need be. And again, just copy and paste. And then the third option is the URL including an iframe. So this option is an iframe, which is commonly used in services like Microsoft SharePoint. So if you're using a website or landing page that does not support the HTML code option, then you'll want to use this iframe option here. These are the three options that you have to embed your calendar that we supply super easily by just copying and pasting onto your website or landing page builder. And then I want to show you what that could look like. Here is an example of an embeddable calendar. So the options for embeddable calendar are provided for you here. Any questions that you might have about the embeddable calendar might be answered in our help center, which you can find at help.addevent.com. And then we have an embeddable tools section. So check that out if you have any questions on specific website builders or just want to learn more about the embeddable calendar. And then additionally, I did want to point out just a few things about the embeddable calendar while you're here in this video learning about it. When you're editing your calendar, so let's say you're editing the events in your dashboard. I changed this webinar date from January 9th, and now it's going to happen on February 15th. If I were to do that in my dashboard, if you're using any of our other methods to add, create, or edit an event, then you wouldn't need to re-embed that calendar. These changes that are happening on your calendar will reflect on your embedded calendar, so you won't need to go in and update the code or the URL or iframe that you're using. So that's really nice. And if you are updating things like multiple calendars to display, then you would need to re-embed or reshare the embed option that you've chosen, because that's including new calendar IDs and just more information. So there are things like that that you want to take note of. But for just updating, adding events, deleting events, all of those details will reflect without having to change anything on your website. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all about embeddable calendars or anything else, please reach out to support@addevent.com and we will be more than happy to help. Have a great one.